But let's say if, okay, Jason, I don't really want to drink too much water, then you can eat your water also. And I know I'm not talking about putting the water in some in the freezer and making some ice cubes and you just cutting it up with a knife and fork. Water-rich foods. Water-rich foods are very important. So all of your fruits are water-rich foods. Grapes, mangoes, watermelon. Watermelon is one of the highest rich content foods in there. It's about 97% water. Melons, honeydews, those have about 90% water content. Cabbage, we're talking about broccoli. All of these contain 70 to 80% water-rich content. All your dark leafy greens, collards, spinach, Swiss chard, rainbow carrots. We're talking about beets. The list goes on and on. Brussels sprouts. There are tons of water-rich foods out there. Potatoes. Potato has a 70% water-rich content. No matter you're eating white potatoes, Russell potatoes, Hasselback potatoes, or even sweet potatoes, or if you getting the Japanese red potatoes. All of them have about 70% water content. And this is how you actually can start eating your water, by making good meals.